Hi guys, I am Sumedha and welcome to my channel. So you all will agree with me that in every household we have these old chocolate boxes, shoe boxes in which we have stored some stuff. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you ways in which you can convert these old ugly boxes into cute storage boxes. So without wasting much time, let's directly jump into the video. The first thing to do is find the box which you want to use. Paint your box white. I used Asian paints, the one you use to paint walls. You can use any paints, for example acrylic paints, oil paints, fabric paints, poster colors. Even if you don't have paints, just cover it up with chart paper or gift paper. The reason we are painting them white is only because when we paint them with bright paints, the color will pop out and look so much better. Now, for the first design, make random geometrical lines on your box and paint them with different colors. You can paint them with any color. If you want to give a pastel touch, just keep adding white to your paint till you're satisfied. To make it more dressy, stick quotes, cutouts on your box and you're done. For using your box like a personalized gift or memory box, paint the lid and the lower part with colors of your choice, preferably with different colors. Take small pictures and stick them on white rectangular paper to look like Polaroids. Organize and paste them on your lid. And you're done. For the lower part, take a string and attach it on either ends of the box. I used a glue gun. Hang pictures with the help of paper clip and that's it. I kept them on my study table and they look so cute, like photo frames. Also, how I made these bottles and canvas art is on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. To make this box, I painted my box pink and then pasted paper strips onto it like done in the video. I decided to use it to store my calligraphy pens in it, so wrote the same on the label. And the box is ready. For this box, I really loved how the box looked, but not its center part. So I just took one of my old mandala pieces, gave it a red border equivalent to the center part of the box, and just pasted it all together. The box now looks so aesthetically pleasing, pretty, and perfectly matches the vibe of the bedside. For the last box, I painted the box pink and pasted a contrasting ribbon on the lower edge of the lid. In the center, I pasted a golden heart cutout and used a glitter paper to border it by taking the same heart shape and stenciling it to be a little bigger in size. That's all about it. My box is ready. If you recreate any of the boxes or just get inspired by the video, do share it with me